Now, this is the school of sniper entries, and yet again, I'm teaching you on a very powerful trade that I took on gold. We're on the 5 minutes time frame, but before we can start breaking it down, I really want to show you the evidence of the trade. I even called it out as well with my mentorship students, and that's exactly what I ought to do. Some of you guys were like, you keep on talking about these trades. Did you actually take them? Right? Somebody commented that in the last video, so I wanted to make sure I can do you justice on this. Now, I'm sure you can see my Discord over here. I did highlight the setup of this to everyone, as you can see in my Discord. And I did say that, it's sitting on a good supply zone and we've reached a very key level within our intraday strategy. Although it was not a perfect entry, like a sniper entry, but definitely it just got in straight away into profits without having any drawdown. Of course, this is the before right here, guys. I don't have anything to pay. There are adults here that see this, this. And then, of course, this one did have his own analysis. He did miss it a little bit slightly, but of course, a lot of people took this. So far, this is what it made for this student. He was having a $16 account and he was able to triple it. And then, of course, we ended up just taking it off the 1:2 ratio. So definitely I need to move my profit target all the way over here. That's where we closed off. So we ended up saying it closed off at 1:2. It was a 1:3 overall. And then trail stopping, it kicked us out. So this was the trade. And of course, look at the student right here. He closed off literally tripling or exploding this account, closing with $98 profit from an account of $60, $16, as you can see it over there. Now, we're not all about that, just evidence, guys, to show you that this was a real trade that other people, not just myself, but other people as well, including my students, took. Now, as I said, I wanted to really make sure we can put this over here because that's where it literally kicked us out. Okay. Now, let's go ahead, eliminate all of these lines here and really concentrate on the price action that is at play over here. Is at play over here. So I just left it as it is, and then we're gonna break it down and also how we ended up playing out our stop loss and everything of that sort. Now, if I want to bring your attention over here, guys, look at this. We had the supply that the market really mitigated off. How I trade is basically I look at the last price action, lower lows and lower highs. I usually trade with the trend, as many of you guys have seen on this channel. So the first thing I wanted to navigate. So if I can just really get to zoom out on this chart. Yes, price has already took its course over here. Okay. But if I can get to zoom out, this was a very good bearish market, as you can see previously over here. We're in a nice bearish market. The market did give us, let us navigate it together. Okay, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So when I saw this whole pattern, I know, sure, my eyes go dim, right? This is what I need to look for in terms of really trading from this lower high. Now I highlight the zone that's quite relevant, but I want to identify how this came about, this lower high. And that's when I was able to see, okay, this supply, this was the supply that was responsible for this. Now also see that this actually did break structure. So look at this. It did break that structure. So what I'm essentially teaching you over here is that the first thing you want to do to really master getting trends is trading with the trend. The trend is your friend and not your enemy. Number two is to really understand where there was lower highs and higher lows. In this case, we are trading lower highs because we want to sell where price is high in order to depreciate and make money over there. Okay. Now, the stop loss that you see, I didn't use that personally myself. I just put it for the overall group to allow it to breathe. But I will just show you right now how I ended up niching down that whole trend. Let's just go to the 15 minutes because that's where we were when we got this entry. There we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Now, as you can see, I highlighted the supply that you see over there. Now, as you can see, this was the full candle of the H1 over here. Okay, this was the full supply. Now I therefore went all the way to the M15 to sort of make sure that I can refine this and further refine it. This candle over here. Okay, so therefore when we entered here, I did sort of bring my stop loss to 2. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, once the market had imprinted on this, now again, there's some things we cannot quite disclose in terms of full knowledge, but there's a way we know in the mentorship how a zone is gonna react of the zone. Is it gonna go all the way to the middle of the zone? Is it gonna go at the beginning of the zone? There's some of the concepts we teach that we may not cover here exclusively, right? So for example, the candlestick that imprints the supply has an effect on the reaction of the market and how it will react over there. So it's found within the mentorship Discord or the advanced trading course. If you want to enroll for that, our website is on your screen, www.propheticforex.com, or you can click the link in the description of the video. Or else you can just, if you're somebody who already has the knowledge on how to go about trading, you can book a one-on-one with myself at a very cheap rate. Maybe 1 hour, you and I, we get to discuss in depth of what happens in the market, and I bring something to light that you're struggling about. So we also do have 1 hour one-on-one consultation with myself where we sit on a Zoom and I get to describe everything that you need to understand in the markets. Okay, so as you can see, once it imprinted that, I was not yet there at that moment. I didn't actually even put a time alert when I did this Zoom. I just left it off and I went about my day only to discover that I was actually quite lucky because as it imprinted, I was now opening my laptop and I saw, and this is when I sent the setup, it was around about here. We make sure I am teaching, not just sending for the sake of showing a 1:3, so something like this. We're targeting all of those lower lows at the blue. Okay, something again, as you can see, something like this. So that was a very beautiful way, although it didn't last quite long, but this is how we usually trade. Setting take profits in the middle of price action in terms of many of you could have lost a very good trade as well in this regard, given that you would have just waited stubbornly for the market to hit your 1:3. You want to set multiple take profits and trail stop as the market goes, as you saw me advise my mentorship group. We trail stop as the market goes. So when we hit a good, important key level, we want to always make sure that we trail stop so that when the market turns around anytime we're not on the markets, we can still capitalize from it. Now, as you can see, that top zone, the market did come back to retest it again, and we do have those sells, but I never got to take those sells. But as you can see, imagine if you're trading with the over here, creating a nice lower high. Look at that. The market sold beautifully again. Till today, the market is still selling, as you can see. Look at that. Okay, so this is how we do it, guys. Remember, the trend is your friend. Target lower highs, or if it's a bullish market, target higher lows. Draw that demand from there as the market pulls back through that. See if you can refine it to get a very good entry, and then of course wait, pull the trigger, and of course target the market as it goes. Put multiple targets or take profits, and then once it hits a very good take profit for you, trail stop the rest or protect your profit. That's the way we make money here, guys. Anyway, I did hope that this video did give value to you in terms of really understanding overall sniper entries. Wasn't the best of trades we took, guys, but it's just something I really want to show you of actual trading from the markets. Sometimes we do get the best trading setup, sniper entries, crisp, but now in this case, it's just as good as your daily trades that you would get, okay? Nevertheless, see you on the next episode of School of Sniper Entries. Make sure to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends and family. God bless you.